A former Australian daycare provider has entered a guilty plea to charges of sexually abusing and raping numerous young girls while they were in his care for more than 20 years. A Queensland court heard testimony from Ashley Paul Griffith, 46, who admitted to committing 307 offences at daycare centres in Brisbane and Italy between 2003 and 2022. The court heard that the majority of Griffith's victims were younger than 12. It took the associate of the judge more than 2 hours to go over all of the accusations made against him. Griffith has been named by police as one of Australia's worst ever paedophiles. In addition to 190 counts of indecent treatment, 67 counts of creating child exploitation material, 4 counts of producing such content, and 1 case of distribution were among the allegations levied against him. On Monday, a number of his victims and their families were in court. Some parents sobbed when their children's names were spoken, according to ABC News. "We see people going into the childcare center now, and I think, this happened to my child in that room," the mother of one kid stated. "It's a room of horrors." The father of the same child stated he was in shock that Griffith had managed to escape punishment for his crimes for 2 decades. According to ABC News, the couple claimed that even though they explained what had happened to their daughter, her young age prevented her from understanding it all. "As she grows up, we'll deal with that as it comes, but it's going to be something we deal with through our lives now," said her dad. The Australian Federal Police discovered thousands of images and videos of Griffith's abuse that had been posted to the dark web, leading them to arrest him in August 2022. Despite the fact that faces were cropped out of the video, investigators were still able to identify Griffith because of a distinctive pair of bedsheets that could be seen in the background of the recordings. According to the police, he used his phones and cameras to capture every offense. More than 1,600 child sex offenses were alleged against him in November of last year, although the majority of those charges were later withdrawn. Griffith is still being held and will be given a punishment later.